Namaste. Welcome to AmeyaOnline. In this video, we will be seeing beautiful Jute Organza Sarees, all at the price range of $14.99. People who would like to block any of the sarees, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. These prices are inclusive of shipping. People who stay in Hyderabad, we do have a store in Hyderabad, in Sarath City Capital Mall on 3rd floor. Our store name is Ameya. Please do visit our store. Let's quickly get on to the sarees. This is saree number 1. Saree number 1 is a very nice pretty combination of blue, orange and red. When you see the saree, the topmost portion of the saree is blue in color and the bottom portion is red and orange in color. It looks like a netted saree. Going on to the pallu, beautiful striped pallu with a contrast blouse. This is saree number 1, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 2. Saree number 2 is an orange and maroon color combination saree. The top half is orange in color and the bottom half is maroon in color saree. Going on to the pallu. Nice striped pallu in maroon with a contrast blouse. Saree number 2, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 3. Saree number 3 is a dark blue, orange and red color combination saree. As you can see, these sarees are very lightweight, very easy to maintain and drapes very well. This is how the saree looks. Moving on to the pallu, nice striped pallu in orange and red with a contrast blouse. Saree number 3, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is saree number 4. Saree number 4 is an opposite color combination of what I have shown you earlier. The orange and red comes on the top and the blue color comes at the bottom. This is how the saree looks. Moving on to the pallu. Nice striped pallu in blue with a contrast blue color blouse. Saree number 4, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is saree number 5. These sarees which I am going to show you from saree number 5, these are on thicker side. A little thicker version. It's not that transparent sarees. Same, the material is everything the same. The price is also same. Saree number 5. As you can see, the top portion is orange in color and the bottom portion is onion pink in color. Moving on to the pallu, nice striped pallu in onion pink with a contrast blouse. Saree number 5. Saree number 5, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 6. Saree number 6 is a blue and pink color combination saree. This is how the saree looks. Nice striped pallu with a contrast blouse. Saree number 6, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 7. Saree number 7 is the shades of a pink, red and grey color combination saree. That's how the saree looks. Moving on to the pallu. Striped pallu in grey. With a contrast grey color blouse. Saree number 7, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 8. This is the last saree in this video. It's a color combination of pink and blue. The top portion is pink and the bottom portion is blue in color. Nice striped pallu in blue with a contrast blouse. Saree number 8, priced at $14.99. People who would like to block any of the sarees, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. For further updates, when we upload new videos, please hit onto the subscribe button. We are AmeyaOnline. You can follow us on Facebook and Insta. We are AmeyaOnline. Thank you. Happy shopping.